channel where we will be learning Unix commands and the usage of the same in the shell script. So from today onward, we will go ahead with if-else statement, conditional loop. Definitely, we will not cover all these things in one session itself. We will try to cover all these things in next 4-5 sessions one by one. This is very interesting, and from here onward, our interesting scripting will also start. So these are the if-else conditional statement. So if command is successful, then of course we have to always use then, and then execute the commands, and then end the if then with file. The file is most important and it is compulsory. Without that, your script will definitely fail. This is one sort of if. Then next is if command is successful, then do this thing. If not, if this command is not successful, else execute these commands, and then again end the if else with file. And the next and the third is if then else if this if is not successful, then go ahead with this else if this is also not successful, then finally go ahead with the remaining else one, and again finish the loop, conditional loop with phi is definitely required in all the to end the conditional loop. So let's go ahead with a simple if statement only. We will definitely go ahead with 4-5 sessions where we will be covering all these three different loops. And if you can see, I have already provided the script. Whatever script we are going to use, you can download from here. And the same if else whatever I have explained just now, that also part I have uploaded over here on GitHub. So whenever you want to, and I will provide the links of both this in the YouTube description section. So let's go ahead with this. So this is a simple script. If you remember how we have created copy and move script, same script we have used over here as well. Only thing is that as per our requirement, of course we are not using any copy and move as of now. We are going ahead only with if loop. So whatever things are not required, we have removed. So what we are doing now, slowly whatever scripts we have created in the past, all those scripts we will keep using in our further command execution, command learning, and as well as while utilizing them in further shell script, so that it will be easy. You will understand how simple scripts will be created with the help of those commands, and how we keep on modifying the same script. So if you see, again we are using the date format to print today's date, then we are using echo, then we are using export, we are using the same variable values, file, their extension, and then our if loop starts over here. So what exactly we are doing over here, we are saying ls list the file onto this path. So I have double click on this so that it will highlight list, do the list on this path for this file whose value is test and with extension .txt. So why I am doing this double click, you will get to know. Whenever you will do double click, you will see that okay, at how many places we have used this variable. So it is a best practice. It is always good that while reading the script, you should do like this way only, so that automatically if by mistake somewhere I have used this one, this will get highlighted and I will be able to see it. Now let's see where we are on script directory. Let's execute as usual. This is as usual method of working in any terminal. So I have created the script with tt.sh. So I will just provide user access first, user plus x and tt.sh. I will do again tt.sh ls-l. So my script got execute permission now, and now let's execute the script tt.sh. So what it says, it printed the date format, echo statement as it is, path, file, extension, and okay. So it says this, there is a error in the sense not in the script, but ls command says no such file or directory. Fine. So let's go ahead and create this file. So intentionally I am doing all these things so that you will also get to practice all these commands again and again. So let's create this test.txt. Now this has been created. I will just clear the screen and let's re-execute our script. So ideally, as you know that okay, ls command failed, so that's why we created the file. Now if you see over here, it says if command is successful then execute command. So same way, if command is successful then it will just print this message and then exit. So if I, you know that okay, just now I have created the file, so it means that file is there. For sure this will move out of this loop. So let's execute this one. So it says export date format is showing, echo statement, path, all these variables showing as it is, and yes, it says echo. So on this path, just now we created the file test.txt, file exist, and then exit 0. So that's how we have created, we have gone through our first loop, first conditional loop. If command is successful, then execute commands 5. So this is how we have done it. If you want to add some other command, or if you want to do something else, try it. Let me know if you face any issues. Definitely we will try to solve the same. Thank you very much. Bye bye.